There you go, there you go. Leave it, leave it. You can fix it.
Probably.
We're sitting here talking about girls that broke our hearts while we're getting ready to film this video. You're about to watch this video on the Traxxas 6x6 running 2S LiPo, 5000 milliamp and 7600. Crawlers don't really need that much juice, but yep, as we brainstorm, get ready to watch this video as we talk about the girls that broke our hearts in high school. Alright guys, here comes the video. 3, 2, 1. Bye. Alright guys, we got the Traxxas 6x6 crawler right here. This is already broken in, it's not brand new. I've used it a few times. It's pretty new though, not that old. This one has the LED lights. So I'll give you guys a quick rundown over the truck, and then I'm gonna throw some videos up of what we're filming today here at the park in Fullerton, California. So this truck's pretty cool. Let me give you a rundown. This package comes with LED lights already installed, and then XL5 receiver, and then a 21T motor, brushed, not brushless, and then it's pretty much all stock. I haven't done nothing to it at all, and I don't plan on doing anything to it. Underneath we got front differential that you can lock and 2 back differentials that you can lock from the remote, which is pretty cool. You can lock all the differentials at one time, or just the rears or just the front, but you can't run open differentials all the time. It's either the front or rear open, or all of them locked. But I've been driving it and I haven't had any problems with the motor or anything like that. Everything's been cool. It's a pretty solid truck. It's a little expensive, so I mean it should run perfectly and not break for a while. But I'm here with my friend Christian, and we're gonna shoot some videos of it driving around, going down obstacles, going up hills, stairs, whatever we can find at this park. So you guys are gonna see some cinematic movie shots. Let me know what you think about the 6x6. Drop a comment down below. Let us know you like it or you don't like it. Does it look nice? Too much money? Is it worth it? Do you want one? Drop a comment down below, let us know. I wanted to get the black one, it was cheaper, but they only had the white one in stock. The way things are now, you kind of don't have much of a selection at the RC car shops. You just got to get what they got. This one was more expensive because you have to pay the licensing fee for the pearl white paint. If you like beer or water, it's the same thing. Drop a comment down below, let us know how you feel.
What's your brand?
Drinking a beer right now? Drop a comment down below. What's that red switch up? The red one on by the trigger. Off. And then you're probably gonna have to go at it at an angle. That way, when the front wheels leave the ground, one of the back ones right here is still on when you leave the step. So like go like at an angle. That way these wheels help you go down. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Oh, we should also lock the diffs. So that one, the chrome switch forward. That should lock them. Give it some gas? Yeah. You're good. Alright, now I'm gonna go in front of it, and we're gonna go the whole way down. Alright, let's get down these stairs.
Dude, I have a bad feeling about this.
Just a little bit. We'll do a few. Let's see how it handles stairs. Keep going.
Hold on, Dick.
Keep going. Turn to the right. There you go. Now go the other way. Other way. Reverse a little bit. Yeah. Now go to the right.
Oh shit, we were about to get attacked. Dinosaur right here.
Keep going. Yeah, I think you're good like that. Now bring it to the right or left. To your left. There you go. There you go. Leave it. You can fix it.
How?
So when Christian flipped it, I was like, you know what, let me drive it, but
Fuck out of here.
it wasn't that hard. We made it down to the bottom. It handled those stairs no problem. Let me show you how big the stairs were. There you go. I don't know how many stairs it is, but it can make it down that. Let's find another obstacle for this vehicle to attack and see if it can make it. So far, so good. Alright guys, that concludes our video of some shots of the AMG 6x6 by Traxxas. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all we got for you for now. If you want to see more of this AMG 6x6, you want us to do anything in particular, drop a comment down below. But till then, that's all we got for now. Oh man. Alright. We're done filming for now, guys. Thanks for watching our video. If you watched it, please drop a comment and a like. Subscribe to our channel. That really helps us the most to create more videos, guys. Alright guys, over and out.